Hi! Are Raya and Sisu fighting off Droon? Hi, Ron! I was just seeing things.
Oh.
Ron, take a seat. Phew! No more movies for me. Oh, look at this crystal ball. Stop talking. Make a hole in a clear sphere with a hot glue gun. Draw a dragon inside. Color it with glass paint. Apply a background layer. Put a flashlight inside. Fasten the sphere on a globe stand. Oh no! The crystal ball! It broke! Oh yeah! I was reborn! Now I'm your teacher, Droon! Solve the problem! You have 5 minutes! I have something more fun! Go! The dragon's ready! It's a dragon! Whoops! Gotta go! What did you do to this student? What? Why is the grade so bad? Sisu, don't worry. I have a magical amulet. Roll polymer clay between your palms. Shape a dragon on parchment paper. Add texture with a modeling tool. Bake following the instructions. Paint it. Cut a crystal out of an eraser. Put it in the center of the amulet. Add a cord. The magic can fix the grade. Ooh! Mr. Droon? No cheating! That wasn't the best idea.
Oh.
Raya will come to the board. Me? Really? What are the fundamentals of string theory? It's... Sisu, help me out! I don't know. Sisu? Enough! This is what I do to students who don't get ready for class. Go join the other petrified students. Cut leaves out of foam paper. Shape flowers. Glue on magnets. Paint. Add stamens. Let's honor the memory of our best student with this flower. What a hard test. Are you done? I don't get anything. Time's up. Turn your papers in. Magical splinters, protect us. Droon is gone. But we still need to turn the tests in. No cheating during the test. Droon is a very mean teacher. I made a mistake. Do you have any whiteout? No. So what do I do? Dragon Sisu. She always comes to the rescue. Make a dragon base from a wire. Fasten the joints with hot glue. Cut the top of an eyeliner to shape it like whiteout. Attach it to the head. Add volume with foil. Make a dragon head out of polymer clay. Coat the whole piece with clay. Shape paws. Add spikes. Bake following the instructions. Paint it. Make a mane from felting wool. Thank you, Sisu. You were just in time. Whoops! Hey, easy. Sorry. High five. Take your seat. Hi. Hi. Wrong room, I guess. And this This one looks right. Frozen! I'm gonna need warm clothes. My pencil is broken. Do you have a sharpener? Sure, here. Make a beetle head out of light clay. Attach it to a pencil sharpener. Cut wings out of foam paper. Make another set from a plastic sheet. Heat up foam paper with an iron so it gets the right shape. Paint the sharpener and the clay. Glue the wings on. Add a glitter spiral on the back. Put an LED light inside. It's cute! It's so useful! Raya, come here! What is it this time? Give me the beetle! No insects in class! The teacher clearly has never seen a fart beetle before! You, out! Right now! I'm so bored! Don't sleep in class! Sisu's asleep! I'll cover up my friend! Cut dragon head pieces out of faux fur. Glue them to a zipper. Color with diluted fabric paint. Attach foam paper details. Add a mane made out of fake hair and add a chain handle. A dragon? Oh no! What's wrong with him? He needs help! Wake up! I saw a dragon! It's just a purse! What's wrong with this pen? It doesn't work! Do you have a pen? Yeah, here! Cut a sword out of foam paper. Make 2 pieces. Wrap a pen. Cover the cap with foam paper. Color it with acrylic paint. Add a decorative stone. Thanks! That's a real sword! I love it! This sword is more than just pretty. It's also sharp. I'll finish this test first. What did you do to the test? I marked all the answers with my pen. I can't accept it, and I'm taking the pen away. That's my pen. This is art class. What? It wasn't on our schedule. What do we draw with? We need pencils. I have arm guards. Cut identical pieces out of felt and foam paper. Attach a satin ribbon to the felt to make partitions. Add Velcro. Put in pencils. Attach a foam paper piece to the Velcro. Attach a felt pattern and stones. Decorate the edges with a cord. Glue on elastic ribbons. Make the other piece. There's enough pencils for everyone! Thanks! The girls get to work, but their drawings look unusual. Here's my drawing! And mine! And mine! It can't be! The crystal ball! I'm dying! Phew! What was that? Yay! We did it! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what you liked the most. A beetle sharpener, a dragon pendant, or a sisu bag? And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.